Hello, I am Granny Maria. Today, I want to tell you the story of a very special dish. It is chicken with mushrooms. This recipe was born at home and became one of those meals you never forget. My dear grandchild Luz doesn't use recipes. She cooks from instinct, from experience, and from what she feels in the moment. And somehow, like if she is using a magic wand, it always turns out just right. The key moment, when she enters the kitchen. The mushrooms slowly release their flavor, mixing with the chicken, creating a rich, natural gravy that fills the kitchen with an incredible aroma. This is not just cooking. This is transformation. And just like that, a simple dish becomes something that brings people together. A meal that makes you feel like home. You will find the full recipe video link on the description. Surprise your family and friends. If you enjoy home-style cooking like this, subscribe to the channel and please do not forget to give us a like and tap the little bell, so you are notified when we upload a new video. I'll see you in the next story. Have a very great day.